This is exactly what I mean about snow blowers. I didn't even have enough gas to get this stuff free. I had to cut some of this stuff. Those augers, I couldn't save them. I had to cut them off. So that one that could have been saved, I had to cut it. I had to get bigger tanks. Bottom line, because I'm alright. That was $38 of gas I spent. This is probably worth about 150. That's 60. It's still usable. It got chewed up a little bit. I'll just say in the ad, it got chewed up a little bit, having the old augers taken off. But when you slide it on, grease it up, it'll still work good. Hopefully somebody will buy it like that. Anyway, we got our spare lens here. Let's go ahead and do the honors on this. And then I have a Craftsman 36 and I have one at the garage that says 38. It's a 38 deck, so I'm gonna go to the garage and I'm gonna get the one that says 38. It just needs to be slightly trimmed and it'll fit on, because I'm not, like I said, I wasn't gonna pay 55, 60 bucks for a deflector for a deck for a 96 mower. You know what I mean? Still haven't had a chance to check the belt yet. I've been busy with this snowblower. Only part left is this. This will go quick though. Just take the tires off, handlebars off, and then you're down to the gearbox, which I'll sell as a full gearbox. Maybe keep the friction disc for mine. Alright, let's do the honors, get this on, replaced. It's these little things right here that make all the difference. See? If anybody needs a horse logo, I got one. Alright, which one? It's got a lot of black crap on it. This is the one that was on the machine. Just cleaned it. We're gonna go with that one. Alright, I'll screw it in place, pop it in. We'll see how she looks. Well, we're one step closer. That lens is slightly faded from age, but you know what? Better than a half cracked in half one. How much did that just raise the value of the tractor? About 150 bucks. You know why? Put a tractor on a Craigslist and it's got a half cracked lens. People are gonna automatically assume that thing's beat to shit. Now, the hood's in perfect condition. Everything on it is in perfect condition except for the missing piece. Can you believe that? So, and then of course, I've got mechanical things, you know, tune-ups, and I gotta figure out what's up with that belt still. Give it a good wash. But then she's good to go. Somebody text messaged me on the last video I made of this thing and said I'm selling them too cheap. We were getting, this is about the fourth, between my uncle and I, we've had 4 or 5 of these. And I think we've averaged 600 for these, 650 for these. That black soot's got to be cleaned off from where the muffler turned it black a little bit. We averaged 650 for these. This one's definitely in one of the best conditions cosmetically. I still have 2 more of these down there in Hal. I've got one with a Vanguard on it. It's got a bigger deck. And I've got one with a blown 12 or 13 horse. The one with the bigger deck's hood is shot, but the one with the blown 12, 13 horse has a blown engine. So I'm just gonna make one good one out of 2. I'm gonna take the hood from the one with the blown motor, put it on the bigger machine, and there you go. But yeah, I got 2 more of these, and we've had about 4 of these total. One of the first free tractors that I took going back about 4 years ago was a wheel horse. I got it in like early December, either 2017 or 2018, and I remember I had it when the fire trucks came around. So I was driving this red thing around when Santa came around. So I remember that because it was one of the first tractors that I took free, at least now in this, the way I do it now. It was one of the first. That's what got me into it. So I like these wheel horses. They're great machines. So, all right, that's just an update, lens update. New lens is on.